be the last. That's the V-line velocity before the freight train goes past, because there's a massive gap between the V-line services and all that. The original